Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to make quinoa. Quinoa is very healthy and I am going to make quinoa stir fry or quinoa pulav. You can say whatever you like. So you can see here I have 2 cup quinoa.
Wash it thoroughly and boil for 15 minutes.
Let's boil the quinoa. So I have here boiled water. So add 1 spoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric and add quinoa. Boil for 15 minutes. Here I have 2 cup quinoa and 4 cup water. After 15 minutes you can see our quinoa is cooked perfectly. Let's see ingredient. Here I have roughly chopped 1 large onion, French beans, carrot, coriander, spring onion, roughly chopped tomatoes, sweet green chilies, red and green bell peppers, blanched green peas, ginger garlic paste, some oil, lemon juice, cinnamon stick, cumin and cloves. This is paneer, blanched 1 large potato, black peppercorn. Now let's get started. Just add oil. Once oil get hot, then add dry spices, cumin seeds and cinnamon and cloves, and then add sweet chilies. Then add onion. Give it a nice stir. After some time, add carrot. Give it a nice saute. Saute for a few seconds. Then add beans and bell pepper. Mix it well and saute for few minutes. After stirring for 5 minutes, I am going to add ginger garlic paste. Now you can see our veggies are perfectly cooked. Now add blanched green peas. Saute for few minutes. Now add our blanched potatoes. Properly, and then add our paneer. Mix it properly. Crush some peppercorn. Now add roughly chopped tomatoes. Mix it properly. After 2 minutes, you can see our veggies are perfectly cooked. Now add half spoon salt and mix it again properly. Now it's time to add our quinoas. Mix it properly now. Now add lemon juice. I'm using here half lemon. You can use as per your taste. Now add some spring onion and fresh finely chopped coriander. Mix it again. Now our quinoa stir fry is ready. Now you can see our quinoa rice is ready. Garnish with some spring onions and coriander. This is a very nutritious recipe. Please try this recipe and share your experience through comment.
And if you have not subscribed my channel, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.